Hey, so the purpose of this video is to learn how to delete an application. On occasion, we have an application inside of the Skyward system that actually is not a valid application, does not meet the state rules. Therefore, we have to remove it from our system. So for this particular video, what we're going to do is we're going to start on the FIFDelete app tab. So these are the apps that we need to delete out of the system. What we're going to do is we're going to start up here, and you'll see that we have the list of the names. And then we have a column here to mark where it's complete or not. You can ignore the columns that are far here to the right because they are not relevant for deleting applications. So we're going to get started. So we're going to start off here by going into the food service module and going into payers. Remember, this list here is a list of all the kids in the school district. So we want to make sure we get our student and our student only. So I'm going to go over here to my spreadsheet. I'm going to click on the first student's last name, and I'm going to simply copy this to my clipboard. And go to the bottom right-hand corner in the lookup box here, and I'm going to hit it and hit enter. Now the next thing I need to do is make sure I have the exact same first name that matches, because there could be more than one kid in the school district with that last name. So I want to go over here and verify I have the correct last name, and I do have. It is going to be this student here. To delete an application, we have to do two steps. The first step we have to do is invalidate the application, and then once it's invalidated, we'll see a delete option appear. So I need to first invalidate my application. So I'm going to click on Edit. And now I've edited the application. The application window opens up here. And now we need to invalidate it. So over here is this active application. I'm going to choose No. Once that's done, I'm going to hit Save. And you often will get an error at this point saying, do you want to remove the lunch code for the application? Go ahead and say yes. Sometimes you may get a second error that will occur. Just go ahead and keep confirming until the point where it actually gets you out of that window. Sometimes it will ask you to enter a invalidated reason or those kinds of things. Once you have done it, invalidated it correctly, you should see a delete option appear here on the line. So what I'm going to do is click on the delete option here, and I'm going to say, are you sure you want to delete this application? I'm going to say yes. And now that application has been deleted.